Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. This transaction ended up being way better than my first Walgreens transaction that I did this week. I'm super excited about these deals, you guys. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, you guys, so first things first, I did this is an online transaction, and I did go through Rakuten because on Rakuten, Walgreens is giving back 4%. So I did get back 4% cash back on this transaction. I also was trying to complete the digital booster, get $30 in Walgreens Cash when you spend $100. So everything that you see right here, you guys, everything right here was completely free plus a $46 moneymaker. Yes, you heard that right, a $46 moneymaker. And I'm going to be completely honest, guys. I do not know where all of the Walgreens cash came from. I want to say I'm very, very sure that all of the digital boosters stacked together. So the get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25, the get $10 when you spend $40, and the get $30 when you spend $100. I want to say that those boosters all combined together, but I am not sure because you can no longer see what the Walgreens cash was for. You can no longer see that in the Walgreens app, which is a little bit frustrating because I really wanted to see exactly where I got all of my Walgreens cash from so that I could be able to explain it and show it to you guys. So unfortunately, I don't know where all of it came from, but what I am going to do is just show you how much I got back in Walgreens cash, and I will just explain to you the Walgreens cash that I know for sure that I got back. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to start with is going to be the Palmolive dish soap back there. So that is the 20 ounce, and that is priced at Walgreens this week for $2.49. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $2.49 minus that 50-cent digital coupon will bring the total down to just $1.99. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed a total of 6 of the little Renews It air fresheners, and they are priced at Walgreens for 89 cents. I purchased a total of 6. We do have a coupon on the Walgreens app, which is a buy 4 get 2 free. So that digital coupon will take off a total of $1.78. So when you purchase all 6 at 89 cents, that's going to bring your total to $5.34. Minus that $1.78 digital coupon, that's going to bring the total down to just $3.56 for all 6, or it's going to make each one just 59 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I took advantage of the Crest deal again. I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Crest Pro Health gum protection, and then I grabbed 1 of the Crest Pro Health extra whitening. So they are priced at Walgreens for $3. There are 2 separate deals. The first deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash, and then when you spend 10, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 4 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus that $6 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $6. You will get back a total of $8 in Walgreens cash. And when you spend 10, you will receive back a $5 registry reward, which I did receive right here. So I paid $6 and I got back a total of $13 in registry rewards. That made those toothpaste completely free plus a $7 moneymaker. And then I went ahead and I grabbed this Tide liquid, the 92 ounce, and then the Tide pods back there. I know you guys can't really see it, but that is the 32 or the 42 count. And both of those are priced at Walgreens for $11.99. the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to go ahead and purchase 2 at $11.99, and that's going to bring your total to $23.98. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Liquid, and we also have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Pods. So I used a total of $6 in digital coupons. So $23.98 minus the $6 in digital coupons, that brought the total down to just $17.98. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. I did receive back my $5 registry reward right here. And with receiving this $5 registry reward, it brought the total down to just $12.98 for both, or it makes each one just $6.49. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Dove body washes. This is the cucumber and green tea. I grabbed 2 of those, and they are priced at Walgreens 2 for $13, but they are also buy one get one 50% off. So when you purchase 2, it's going to bring your total to $9.75. There is a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, but I didn't have it on my account. I only had a $2 digital coupon, so that is what I used. So $9.75 minus the $2 digital coupon, that brought the total down to just $7.75. And then the deal is also when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens Cash. So $7.75 minus that $4 in Walgreens Cash that I received, that brought my total down to just $3.75 for both, or it makes each one just $1.87. And then I went ahead and I grabbed a Colgate toothpaste, and then I also grabbed Colgate toothpaste, and both of those items are priced at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $2 in Walgreens Cash. So you're gonna go ahead and purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothpaste, and a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothpaste. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $5.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons will bring the total down to just $1.98. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back that $2 in Walgreens Cash, making both of those items completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I went ahead and I did the razor deal again. I did I picked up the Gillette Fusion 5, and then I picked up the Venus razor. So both of those razors are priced at Walgreens for $10. The deal is when you spend $20, you will receive back $10 in Walgreens Cash. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 at $10, and that's going to bring your total to $20. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Gillette, and then also a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Venus razor. So that's a total of $6 in digital coupons that I used. So $20 minus the $6 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $14. And when you spend $20, you will receive back $10 in Walgreens Cash. I did receive back that $10 in Walgreens Cash, bringing the total down to just $4 for both, or it makes each one just $2. And then I grabbed the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, and I also grabbed the conditioner, and they are priced at Walgreens this week at $3.99. I purchased 2, so $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. We do have a $2 when you buy 2 IVC coupon, so $7.98 minus that $2 IVC coupon, that brought my total down to just $5.98. And then we also have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus that $4 digital coupon brought my total down to just $1.98 for both, or it makes each one just 99 cents. And then right here, I just went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Pampers wipes. These are just priced at 3 for $7.50, but they are also buy one get one 50% off. I purchased 3 total, and so that brought my overall total for 3 packs up to just $6.25. No coupons or anything for those. I just grabbed those because we did need some more wipes, so that's why I grabbed those. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Big Soleil Smooth Scented Razors, and these are priced online at $6.29, and they are buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $6.29. The second one will ring up half off at $3.14. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $2 back in Walgreens Cash. So $6.29 plus the $3.14 will bring your overall total to $9.43. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to just $5.43. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back $2 in Walgreens Cash. And with receiving that $2, it brought the total down to just $3.43 for both, or it makes each one just $1.71. Okay, guys, so that is everything that I got in this transaction. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So the Palmolive rung up at $2.49. All of my Renewzits rung up at 89 cents. All of the Crest rung up at $3. Tide, both of the Tide rung up at $11.99. Both Dove at $9.75 total. Both of my Colgate at $2.99 each. My Venus razor $10. Gillette razor $10. Both of my Elvive rung up at $3.99 each. And then all 3 Pampers total rung up at $6.25. And then both of my Big rung up at $9.43 total. So all of my digital coupons came off. I had no issues with any of my digital coupons. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $66.92. So, oh, one more thing I forgot to mention, you guys. I'm super excited. As you can see right here, it says my Walgreens MasterCard. So I applied for the credit card today, and it said that, because I was wondering, do I get to choose between the credit card and the MasterCard? But once I read on the site, once you submit your application, depending on what your credit report looks like, I believe, then it will determine if you get approved for the credit card or the MasterCard. So in my case, I got approved for the MasterCard. I have not received the physical card, but I did get approved, and the card is just in the back office of Walgreens. So that way I could go ahead and use the card right away. So that is what this is for, and that is what I paid for this transaction with. So I did pay the $66.92 out of pocket. So when you look right here, it says estimated rewards earned $99.03. So $66.92, and my estimated rewards was $99.03. After my husband picked up this order for me, I actually got back a total of $98.93, you guys. Now, I'm going to go through and let you know what I know for sure that I got back. So, of that $98, $8 came from all 8 of the Crest. $4 came from me purchasing 2 of the Dove. $2 came from the Colgate toothbrush and the Colgate toothpaste. $10 came from the Gillette razor, the Gillette and the Venus razor. And then $2 came from the Big razors. That's a total of $26 right there. And that's just from the products. That's all of the Walgreens Cash from the products. Now, this is why I say I believe that all of the digital boosters stacked together. But even with all of the digital boosters stacking together, it still does not equal up to $98. So I'm assuming that I got $5 for spending $25, $10 for spending $40, and then $30 for spending $100. But my question is, where did the rest of the cash come from? I have no idea. So that's why I say it's very frustrating, because I can no longer see exactly where all of my Walgreens Cash came from on the Walgreens app, because we can no longer see it. So it's very frustrating. I mean, I'm not at all complaining about what I got back. I am super happy about what I got back. I would just like to know so that I can be able to show you guys and let you guys see what all I got back. You see what I'm saying? But all in all, I'm happy about this transaction, you guys. And then also remember earlier that I told you guys I went through the Rakuten website, and Walgreens is giving back 4%. So for this entire transaction, I got back $3.99 cash back just for using the Rakuten website. So if you are not using Rakuten, I will have that linked in the description box below. So again, you guys, I spent $66.92 out of pocket. Total in Walgreens Cash, I got back a total of $98.93. So right there, this is already a free transaction plus a $32.01 moneymaker, right? Then I got back both of my registry rewards, my $5 registry reward for the Crest and my $5 registry reward for the Tide. So that's $10 more. So now that makes this a $42.01 moneymaker. Then plus the $3.99 that I got back from Rakuten, that makes this entire transaction completely free plus a $46 moneymaker. So you guys, this was a fantastic transaction. Again, I'm just a little bit annoyed because I really want to know where the rest of my Walgreens cash came from. And I do know that we have the booster get 5 times your Walgreens cash back. So I'm wondering if that factored into this too. So anyway, this video is already long enough. If you are watching this video and you may know where the rest of the cash came from, please let me know in the comment section, because I don't know, but at the same time, I am not complaining. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys have gotten so far this week at Walgreens, and I will see you all in my next video.